What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. This video is brought to you guys by Unictool, and we're taking a look at the really awesome software known as TailorGo. This thing is incredible. As you guys can see on both the Find My iPhone application and of course their application, we are somewhere within this vicinity of the US. However, we're going to go ahead and attempt to change this, and it's really cool how this works. You just have to connect your device and then hit accept, and you're able to go ahead and jump anywhere you want. Now this is really cool for using applications like Pokemon Go. We're going to go ahead and hit open settings, and we can go and mess with where we are in Pokemon Go. As you guys can see, I am currently in this spot and there is 1 or 2 Pokemon around me. We're going to want to go places that have a bit more rare Pokemon. Another way you could use this is, of course, being able to jump into any area you want or maintain a certain location. For example, let's say you told your parents you're going to be at a particular friend's house. Well, you can actually set your address to that friend's house and you're pretty much set to go. So let's say that friend's house is somewhere in, I don't know, somewhere in another country, let's say in Germany. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Germany. And here are a few options. We're up. I'm going to hit move. And you are suggested to close the location-based app before switching the location if warnings show on those applications. So I am going to go ahead and close those applications. Move. And now my device is going to think I am in Germany. How wild is that? So the really cool thing is, sometimes iOS does restore locations automatically. I'm just going to got it on this. Now the really cool thing is we're able to go and do some things here. For example, I'm currently somewhere in the middle of nowhere, Germany, and what I can go and do is set this particular option where it's going to jump to another location afterwards. So let's say I want to make it look like I'm going from Germany to France to another location. Well, all I have to do is add this next destination over here, and then I have to say how fast am I going. Do I want to be going super fast or super slow? And I'll be able to go ahead and do that very easily. I can also set it to move a certain amount of times, and of course the distance wise as well, how we're traveling and all of that good stuff. So as you guys can see, on my Pokemon Go application, my location has completely changed. I am officially in Germany, and while there aren't too many Pokemon here, you can clearly tell that it has changed based on the fact that the streets are completely different. How wild is that? And another option we have here is that you can have straight routes. So we have our change your location option, the navigation route option, and of course the straight route option if you want to just make a beeline for a particular spot. And interestingly enough, oh, okay, this is really crazy. So now that I'm checking my Pokemon Go application again, I have a bajillion new Pokemon in Germany, so this is pretty amazing. Apparently Germany is a spot for all you Pokemon Go players, so that's really awesome. We also have straight routes here, so I can add a destination here and add a destination here, and of course go ahead and kind of have this kind of go straight at a certain speed directly for that destination, which is really cool. You can set up the move times again, and you're pretty much set in that regard. The other cool thing is you can change the location again. To get your location back on your device, you just exit this right here, and it's going to go ahead and show you guys a few options. You can do a quick direct, or you can go ahead and do a full restart, and it will bring your location on your device right back to normal. You can also zoom in, as you guys can see. Let's go ahead and check out exactly what street we're on, or you can click this cool little button and it will bring you right to that spot. I can also hit a number 2 right here, and so now it's going to go and bring me on this really cool approach, and all of a sudden we are traveling and backpacking all across Europe. How wild is that? And of course, you can go and save some routes as well in case you do this particular Germany route all the time. I don't know why you would, but this is an option if this is what you are feeling. How cool is that? All in all, I give this software a nice solid 10 out of 10. It's one of the coolest things I've ever seen. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and check it out in the link below. This is going to be me logging off.